Hi guys, welcome to my IGTV channel. Today I'll be unboxing this beautiful box right here, which is from the brand Iba Halal. So if you don't know what is the brand about, so Iba Halal is like India's first brand which is halal certified, which is Peta certified, which is cruelty free, and they don't have any kind of ingredients that are like animal derived fat. So it's great for people who love using cruelty free. Also, I've heard that most of the makeup is like paraben and chemical free. So let's just dive into it, what all makeup and skincare products that we have. But before that, hit the follow button. I have some amazing content right there on my channel, and I'm definitely sure it will help you. Number one thing that we have right here is a makeup pouch which says makeup is my art, and so true. It's like a jute kind of pouch that they have. Okay, so everything is bubble wrapped very beautifully. I have most of the makeup from their brand and also one skincare product that they sent which is specifically for acne prone skin. So let's just start with this one first. So this is our first product, which is the crystal clear 48-hour hydrating acne fighting aloe vera gel. So it's not like a normal aloe vera gel. It is specifically made for acne prone skin. It fights acne, control excess sebum while hydrating and soothing sensitive skin. It has no mineral, no paraben, no alcohol. It's an oil free formula, and all the ingredients are like properly mentioned here. Like they have aloe vera, then they have Australian tea tree, then they have witch hazel in it, then green tea extract, niacinamide, neem extract. So it has all the goodness of these kind of things. It has no sulfate as well, no paraben, no animal derived ingredients, as it says halal. So this is how the bottle looks like. It's like a classy jar, which is plastic jar, and it says the same claims right here. And once you open it, and this is how the aloe vera gel looks like. I guess it has certain color, but they say it is completely safe for acne prone skin, so I will definitely try it out and see if it works or not. I am personally a huge fan of aloe vera gels. They work beautifully for my skin, and let's see how will it work. Today is like a first impression kind of unboxing. Any kind of review that you want, कोई भी आज जो मैं प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाने वाली हूँ, किसी का भी इन डेप्थ रिव्यू चाहिए होगा, please comment down below and do share your opinion if you have used any of these. And so the first makeup product is this Iba Halal Photo Perfect HD Face Primer. It says transform regular makeup into HD makeup. Makeup looks more vibrant and lasts longer without caking and creasing. We all know that when we use silicone based primers, then it helps your makeup to last long. The MRP of this one is $3.99, so it's like really affordable for the price point of a primer, because nowadays primers are very expensive. The claims are smoothens skin, mattifies, fills pores, enhances radiance, and makeup lasts longer. This is how the tube looks like. It's like a completely transparent tube, and as you can see, it's like completely silicone based formulation. If I just swatch it on my hands, you can see. So it's like completely smoothing kind of primer, जो silicone based primers होते हैं, and this is how it blends beautifully into your skin, and I can instantly feel the smoothing effect. It just smoothens out your like it goes into your fine lines. So अगर आपके face पे pores बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्सचर्ड अगर स्किन होती है, तो ये उसको कवर करता है, सो दैट जब आप इसके ऊपर फाउंडेशन या कुछ भी लगाएंगे तो वो लास्ट भी करेगा और स्मूथली भी अप्लाई होगा. इट इज़ द परफेक्ट लुक BB cream. It is enriched with 24 karat gold. Oh my god, BB cream having gold in it. It matches all skin tones, so I don't think so they have skin tones for BB cream. It has SPF of 24 because obviously most of the BB creams have SPF. It claims it lightens dark spots, quick even coverage, matches all skin tone, and the price point of this one is 250 rupees. Again, very affordable for the price of a BB cream. This is how the packaging looks like. Pink kind of packaging, just like their branding. And let me just swatch it on my hand. And it has very deep orangish tone. As you can see कि हमारे जो Indian skin tones होते हैं वो यही हमारे deep orange type के होते हैं. So it I guess it will match very beautifully. इससे पहले मैंने प्राइमर लगाया था, इसलिए BB क्रीम बहुत स्मूथली ब्लेंड हो रही है, बिकॉज सिलिकॉन प्राइमर ने बहुत अच्छा एक बेस क्रिएट कर दिया था. एंड एज यू कैन सी इट जस्ट गोज इनटू योर स्किन लाइक मैजिक, एंड इट्स गुड फॉर लाइक डेली काइंड ऑफ कवरेज. अगर आपको बहुत हैवी लुक नहीं चाहिए ऑफिस के लिए, या फिर बिल्कुल एक नेचुरल लुक क्रिएट करनी है, बट स्टिल यू वांट मिनिमल कवरेज फॉर योर फेस, देन यू कैन गो फॉर अ BB क्रीम. So next product is the Iba Halal liquid foundation, like their proper foundation, which is breathable, oil free. The best part about this foundation, this is paraben free. So all the people who are searching for like paraben free foundation, here it is. The MRP of this one is $375. Again, very affordable price point. Let's see the claim. It says full coverage to flawlessly cover spots, blemishes, dark circle, dazzling glow that even lasts long, breathable, oil free. matte finish, sun protection, SPF. It has SPF 15 as well. And this is how the bottle looks like. Again, very classic foundation kind of bottle, glass bottle with a pump. Again, very hygienic pump. And you can see all the claims. It says no alcohol, no pork, no animal derived ingredients, no sulfate and paraben. So for all the people who are searching for like paraben free foundation, here it is. Finally I have a foundation which is paraben free, and the shade is, I guess, light. मैंने ज़्यादा light shade choose कर लिया, but I'll just roll it. I have dark foundation with me, so I can just mix it up and work it on my face. And let's see in future how it works. I will definitely review it. So this is our next product, which is a compact Iba Halal Perfect Look Long Wearing Mattifying Compact Even Coverage Oil Free Matte Instant Formula. And it has SPF, it has vitamin E, it is dermatologically tested. The price point is $199, which is like very, very affordable. Like all the products are really affordable for the fact that they are cruelty free, vegan and PETA certified. So kudos to the price point. The packaging, the main thing looks like this. Again, very similar to the Maybelline compact, जो Supra Fresh compact आता है. But this is a little bit heavier. वो थोड़ा सा low quality का था, but this is heavier. Again, they have full size mirror right here, which is great. You can just see it easily, and a puff. The quality of puff is also good. Let's see how it works. The shade name is, I guess, Fair Pearl. I don't know. Yeah, the shade name is Fair Pearl again. So these two are the eye products. This is their liquid liner in the shade Jet Black. It claims quick drying, smudge proof, water resistant, and this is how the tip looks like. Again, PETA vegan halal certified, and let's see how it works. The application will tell in future. And this is their kajal, which is like the basic smudge proof kajal for daily use. The MRP of this one is $199. So last are their lipsticks. These two are from the range Pure Lips. This is their Pure Lips Matte, and this is their Max Matte. So starting with this one, this says Max Matte Liquid Lipstick. Again, the ingredients are the same. It says Moroccan argan oil, marula oil, sweet almond oil. Again, the claims are the same. No alcohol, no paraben. Again, the lipsticks are also paraben free. So yay, kudos. The shade name. Okay, so coming to the shade name, the MRP is $599. The shade name is, focus, the shade name is Perky Pink, and as you can see, it's like my kind of pink that I apply, which is more on the nude side, as you can see from my nail paint as well. And it says matte, so I guess it's like super matte finish, and this is how it applies. The wand is also quite nice, and this will dry out matte after a few minutes, and तब तक हम दूसरी लिपस्टिक्स ट्राई करते हैं जब तक ये मैट होती है. दिस इज हाउ द पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक, वेरी क्लासिक पैकेजिंग, एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. Coming to the second lipstick, which is their Pure Lips Matte, again long lasting matte lipstick. This is, I guess, in the lipstick format. This is the liquid one, and this is their bullet lipstick, and this is how the packaging looks like, very similar to the Maybelline one, but very classy black packaging. I am like more a fan of lipsticks, of bullet lipsticks rather than the normal ones. And the shade name is, focus, the shade name is Apricot Blush. Again, very nice nude kind of shade for everyday office wear. Let's just swatch it. Oh, it looks pretty. It's like perfect office kind of shade for light pinkiness on your lips, and this is how the shade looks like. Let's see the last two lipstick, which is from their basic range. So these two are like from the basic range. I've tried the Fuchsia Fusion one. I still wear it in my Indian functions. I have worn it in one of my YouTube tutorials as well. I love the formula. So number one that I have is, focus, this is Copper Dust. Okay, so I'm guessing it's like more darker, deeper tone. I guess it says copper. Let's see. Okay, this is how the packaging looks like. Almost similar to this one, but this one is more like classic, and this is like a basic packaging because obviously the price point differs. And oh, it's like nice dark kind of shade like my mother's mother used to wear. And as the name suggests, Copper Dust, it justifies the name. So very close to nudish brown kind of shade. If you love wearing brown shades, I guess this is like a perfect one. Till now I'm loving this particular shade, the matte one. Like it's like my kind of shade. And Ruby Touch looks like this. Oh, it's like a red kind of shade. It looks beautiful. It's like ruby woo kind of matte shade, and red pinkish. I won't say like on the face red, but more like pinkish kind of red. So these are all the shades right here. If you want like proper swatch of any of these, you can comment down below. So these are all the products from the brand Iba Halal. Comment down below kiska review chahiye. Otherwise, I'll be like using these products in my upcoming Instagram and YouTube videos. I'm very much excited about this particular one. Again, I'm a skincare junkie, and when it says acne for acne kind of thing, I get excited because let's test if an acne specific aloe vera gel works or not. I hope you liked it. Give it a big thumbs up. Heart button pe click kar dena. Follow me on Instagram. I have amazing content right there. I hope it will definitely help you in some way. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have great content out there. And until next time, bye bye.